Hello YouTube viewers. Today I got some racing propellers. So these are for one company called T-Motor. This is Gemfan Windancer series. It's 5043, so 3-bladed. They say it's ultra light. You can feel it. They're ultra light. Okay, these Gemfans are actually the best all-rounder props. They have nice throttle control. I mean, they are so versatile that they can be used for even freestyle, either freestyle flying or racing. Very good float control, so when you are flying your drone as a freestyle drone, these are very good props, and of course they respond to throttle very well. Enjoy the rest of the flight.